The Scantool Group is proud to present the new pipe and tube notcher available in two models, the Model 100RS and the 100RSX, which has built-in dust extraction. This video demonstrates how to operate our universal pipe and tube notcher and show how a fast, perfect result can be achieved in any angle from 90 to 45 degrees. Place the pipe on the table and clamp it firmly. Put on ear protectors and safety goggles. Feed the pipe towards the grinding roller by using the feed handle on the table. A perfect result at 90 degrees is achieved after only a few seconds of grinding. The pipe and tube notcher can grind any pipe or tube from 21 to 70 mm in diameter in seconds. The angle will now be changed from 90 to 45 degrees. Loosen the handle with your right hand. Lift with your left hand and tighten up again. A scale clearly indicates the angle from 0 to 45 degrees. A gas strut assists the tilting of the grinding section. Lift the table to the right level in order to hit the center of the grinding roller. Feed the pipe towards the grinding roller. A perfect result is achieved in a few seconds. Changing the size of the grinding roller is easy and carried out by using a screwdriver and a 24 mm wrench. Release the belt by use of the belt release handle and take off the belt. Tilt the shaft with the grinding roller forward and make sure that the opposite end of the shaft goes in between the two bars and lock the shaft from turning. Use the 24 mm wrench to loosen the two nuts. Unscrew the nuts. Remove the washer, the shaft bearing bracket and the distance piece before changing the grinding roller. We now fit a 60 mm diameter grinding roller. Tilt back the shaft so the shaft bearing bracket locates in the top support. Refit the grinding belt again and release the belt handle. Make sure that the belt is running in the right direction. An arrow inside the belt indicates the correct direction. Adjust the spark arrestor. The distance between belt and spark arrestor should be approximately 1 to 2 mm. Close the top cover and lock it with the screwdriver. Centralize the belt using the belt tracking handle on the top of the machine. When the belt is central, the handle can be pushed to the side so that nothing can hit it whilst in use. We are now ready to grind a 60 mm diameter pipe. Fit the pipe, clamp it and push it against the grinding roller using the feed handle. Again, a perfect result as before in a few seconds. To show the notching of a 60mm diameter pipe at 45 degrees, we tilt the belt section to 45 degrees and lift the table so the pipe will hit the center of the roller. The result, as before, perfect in a few seconds. To take away the burrs after notching, we recommend the Scantool 250 AGM deburring machine, which will quickly give a professional finish. On the Scantool Universal Pipe and Tube Notcher, it is also possible to notch a smaller diameter pipe on a bigger grinding roller. It's also possible to move the V-table to the side to achieve offset notching. The operation handles on the machines are as follows: the belt release handle, the handle for belt tracking, the handle for feeding the pipe, the handle for the spark arrestor, the handle for clamping the pipe and the tube, the handle for the side adjustment of the V-table, the handle for locking the V-table after height adjustment has taken place, the handle for locking the V-table after side adjustment has taken place, the handle for height adjustment of the V-table, the handle for tilting the belt section to any angle between 0 and 45 degrees, the handle for locking the belt section after the correct angle has been set. The spark box is placed at the bottom of the machine and should be emptied occasionally. Here we show model 100 RSX, complete with dust bag and powerful inbuilt dust extraction. As an alternative to the dust bag, Scantool offers Cyclone model 100, which is always 100% efficient